everyone, welcome back to our channel Lex Click. Here I am Kanupriya Bhargav and I am currently working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company for the month of July. And today's our topic of discussion will be around two important cases of 2021. Let us discuss the first one, which is Paramveer Singh versus Baljeet Singh. Let us see what were the facts of this case. Supreme Court gave direction to install CCTV cameras in all the police stations across India. And the bench was of Justice R.F. Nariman, K.M. Joseph, and Anirudh Bose. Let us move forward and now see what were the facts of the case. Paramveer Singh filed an SLP in this matter, raising a concern about audio and video recording of a statement as well as the placement of CCTV in the police station. All states and union territories were summoned by the Supreme Court and directed to file reports on the matter. In the case of Shafi Mohammed versus State of Himachal Pradesh, the Supreme Court ordered the use of crime scene videography. It was also ordered that CCTV camera. Supreme Court in the following case ordered to use a crime scene videography. It was also ordered that the CCTV camera has to be installed in all police stations and jails as well. Although the states and UT has made no significant development in this respect, therefore the court in Paramveer's judgment has given various directions. Let us move forward and now see the judgment of this case. The bench, which consisted of Justice R.F. Nariman, K.M. Joseph, and Anirudh Bose, made the following orders. First, all access and exit points as well as the main gate, lockups, corridors will be equipped with CCTV cameras. Second, the CCTV system that must be installed must be equipped with night vision and must include both audio and video recording. Third, it will be responsibility of the states and UTs to supply power or internet to places that do not have it. Fourth, CCTV camera must be equipped with recording technology that allow the data recorded on them to be retained for up to 18 months. In any event, the recording storage must be at least 1 year. The SHO of police station question is responsible for the operation, maintenance and recording of the CCTV cameras. Sixth, the central government was also ordered by the court to install CCTV cameras in the offices of the central agency. Let us now move forward and see about the second case, which is Satish Ragde versus State of Maharashtra 2021. In this case, no sexual assault if there is no skin to skin contact even with the sexual intent, a controversial judgment of the Bombay High Court. Bench was Pushpa V. Gandhiwal. Let us move forward and now see the facts of the case. Under the false pretenses, the accused took a 12-year-old child to his home. The accused pushed on the girl's breast and even attempted to undress her. At that same time, the girl's mother arrived on the scene and rescued her daughter from the man. And at the same time, the girl mother went to the police station to file complaint, and the accused was found guilty abusing a young girl. The trial court and sentenced to 3 years in jail under section 354, 363 and 342 of the Indian Penal Code and section 8 of the POSCO Act. The accused, feeling aggrieved, filed an appeal in the Nagpur bench of the High Court of Bombay, requesting that the charges under Section 8 of the POCSO Act be dismissed. What were the judgments of the case? The High Court overturned the Sessions Judge decision and acquitted the accused of sexual assault under Section 8 of the POSCO Act while upholding his conviction under Section 354 of the IPC. The prosecution did not prove that accused removed the girl's child clothes and proved that the girl child clothes before molesting her. Therefore, there was no physical contact, skin to skin with sexual intent, but no penetration according to the court. The maximum penalty under Section 7 of the POCSO Act for is 3 years, whereas the maximum penalty under Section 354 of IPC is 1 year. As a result of the revision of the verdict, the accused was now sentenced to 1 year in jail and then 3 years. different communities and reacted angrily to this judgment and claiming the decision it would be established as a dangerous precedent. This order was later stayed by the Supreme Court of India. Thank you guys for watching this video so patiently, and if you do like my videos then please watch my previous videos and do like, share, subscribe and comment down your queries below. Thank you.